everybody. So today we're going to talk about installing vinyl plank flooring. If you look down on the floor, I've already began without you. I'm sorry. So let me go ahead and install one. So, he's so funny. So if you look here in the grooves, in the groove section, we're going to match that with our board. So we have a side that has the groove sticking out and we have a side that doesn't. So just like a jigsaw puzzle, we're going to lay this on top of here, just like a puzzle, until it connects. And then we're going to use our hammer to install it, like so. All right. All right, and sometimes you have to get it a little closer. And voila, there you go. So thank you for tuning into our video. Stay tuned to more videos.